Renovating this 1984 Suzuki GSX 750, and it's got a no spark problem. I've checked everything to do with the electrics, switch, battery, coil. The plug caps, they were mucky inside, but cleaning them out, now they're good, and on the tester they're giving a good spark. The signal coming through from the two mini coils on the other side that send the signal to the CDI unit, they're okay. So the problem came down to this unit, the CDI unit. So looked up on the internet and found some fixes. So I replaced these two Darlington transistors and the capacitors, which blow. Not very pretty. It was bloody fiddly. Anyway, replaced them, but still no spark, nothing happening. So look for second-hand units, and they're going for £70 plus postage, and don't even know they work. And they're not even off the same bike, they're just from the same era. GS1000s, 400s, so they might work and might not. Well, 400 twin, and you know, they might work but might not. And 80 quid's a lot of money to risk on that if you're on a budget. Replacement units, aftermarket units, are going for between £100 and £300. I sent all my details off and got this quote between 100 and 300, and that's a lot of money. So anyway, did some research, and Japanese and Chinese GY6 bikes, AC and DC bikes, have like a universal CDI unit, which is this unit here. There's two types, you've got to be careful. There's AC, which run on around 60 volts AC, and then there's DC units, which run off a battery and a 12 volts. This is a 12 volt unit. So, as you can see, there's a bit of a spaghetti wiring. The wiring on this unit is quite different from the wiring from a standard Japanese bike of the era. So you've got to know what you're doing and do a lot of testing and making sure your wirings connect. So this is a test rig up. So for running the bike on the road, I've got to make it a lot neater. But I've got my main earth going in there. This is the signal from the this is the signal from the stator, that not the stator, the signal coils. These are signal coil coming in. This is main power, and this is what sends the spark at the signal to the primary coil of the coil, the primary winding of the coil. So we've got it all wired up. And let's give it a test. So, switch the key on. Oh, I'll plug my battery in. I'm using a car battery for doing all this testing. There you go, positive and negative. Key on. And press the magic button. Zoom in and see what happens. Whee! We have lovely sparks. Now this is a 4-cylinder bike, and it's got dual coils, so there's you get an extra spark. So this I think is for 1 and 3, cylinders 1 and 3. Mind you, if it's for 2 and 4, I'll just swap the connectors over. There we go, saving 80 quid for a second-hand unit, which you don't even know works, or around £200 plus postage from a Netherlands company for an aftermarket unit, or £11, I need 2 of them by the way, £22 for this Japanese replacement that is giving these beautiful sparks. Hey. Look at that. I could do this all day watching them. Anyway, next thing, carburetors. The inlet manifolds have corroded and rotted, so I've got to make some new inlet manifolds. Oh, and by the way, Warhorse, yes, I will be soldering all the new connectors for the Row version. Everything's soldered, yeah. Right, bye for